What if I told you, the best rain shower head in 2025 costs less than a fancy coffee? But, one of these has a hidden flaw that nobody talks about. In this video, we test the top 5 rain shower heads so you don't waste money. Oh, in the winter? It's like showering under a waterfall. All links are in the description, let's dive in. Starting at number 1. DreamSpa Ultra Luxury Rainfall Shower Head / Handheld Combo. The DreamSpa Ultra Luxury Rainfall Shower Head is our favorite rain shower head we've tested because it has a wide reach and an easy-to-use handheld nozzle. We had no issue switching out our old shower head with this new one in just 15 minutes. We enjoyed the even, yet light pressure that this shower head had. It wasn't as pressurized as our old shower head, but we expected this because rain shower heads typically have a lighter water pressure. It's also simple to switch between the 3 flow settings, high power rain, aeration massage, and waterfall, by pushing the button on the handheld nozzle. The 3 flow settings on the nozzle also made up for the actual shower head's single flow setting. Number 2. Kohler Flipside Showerhead. Best value. If you're hesitant to give up the powerful pressurized spray of your old shower head or simply want a feature-packed shower head, the Kohler Flipside Showerhead is the solution. This small but mighty shower head has 4 flow settings, including a rain shower spray. But its real intrigue is the unique flipping design, which allows the shower head to switch to spraying water from its sides for the cotton and current sprays. We found it very easy to flip the shower head on its axis and switch between the 4 spray settings. Our favorite spray setting was the cotton, which feels like a fine water mist. While we enjoyed the rain setting, we think it's important to note that it has a wider spray than expected. The water comes out in all directions rather than straight down like a traditional rainfall shower head, so just keep this in mind. We noticed no hard water buildup on the shower head spigots after using it consistently for 2 weeks, which makes us feel good about its longer-term resistance to mineral buildup. Hard water spots were visible on the polished chrome finish, but they were easy to wipe off. We referred to this shower head as an elevated basic because it truly can serve as a multifunctional shower head without being overly expensive or complicated. Number 3. Kohler Awaken Rain Shower Head. Best coverage. If you're looking for a rain shower head that's not only wide but has a uniform, dense spray, then the Kohler Awaken Rain Shower Head is a great option. Unlike our best wide spray shower head, the American Standard Studio S Rain Shower Head, this shower head has more jets dispersed throughout the face of the shower head. Plus, this shower head is available in a 10-inch width, which we tested and loved. Aside from the Awaken shower head's drenching rain experience, we found it also has great water pressure for a rain shower head. This would be especially great for someone who loves stronger water pressure but wants the soothing feeling of a rain shower head. Number 4. Moen Verso Shower with Infiniti Dial. Best high pressure. The water pressure of a rain shower head is lighter than a standard shower head, which is why we love the adjustable water pressure of the Moen Verso Shower Head with Infiniti Dial. We loved the pressure it provided and felt it was a happy medium. A sliding knob on the side of the shower head and the front of the handheld nozzle make it easy to switch the water pressure from full capacity to a light mist. You can even enjoy a relaxing mix if you opt to use both at the same time. While the water pressure is adjustable, this shower head doesn't have multiple spray patterns. However, we love the sleek design of the handheld nozzle sitting directly below the main shower head. Additionally, the magnetic handheld dock is a great feature you can even use without looking at the dock. We found even a 5-year-old could comfortably shower with this shower head, but some families may want an option more similar to our overall best pick, the DreamSpa Ultra Luxury Rainfall Shower Head, which has a handheld nozzle that can be docked at any height with a suction cup mount. However, we still think this shower head is a thoughtfully designed option for those wanting adjustable water pressure settings. Number 5. Moen Velocity 2-Function Spray Head Rain Shower. Best settings. We know it can be overwhelming to have a shower head with too many settings to ever use, which is why we love the simplicity of the Moen Velocity 2-Function Rain Shower Head. It has the gentle coverage of a rain shower head in one setting and a powerful, concentrated stream in the other. So, users looking for both features will be happy. We also love that it's easy to flip the knob on the shower head to switch between settings and there's no need to fuss with dials or twistable heads. This pick would function well as a ceiling-mounted shower head, but the 8-inch width should have plenty of clearance on short wall arms. We noticed that some water drips from the lower jets, when mounted at an angle on a wall arm, on this shower head when it is switched to the concentrated stream, but it wasn't enough to cause us to worry over excess water waste. We also loved how high quality this shower head felt, and we feel confident that it will hold up well over time with continued use. So, which shower head are you grabbing? Drop a comment below, I read them all. If this saved you from a bad buy, smash that like button, share with a friend who needs a spa-like shower, and subscribe because next week, we're revealing a shower head so powerful, it's banned in California.